Ain't no intro. So here's where we are. Doing the coilovers. I got one side in. Sway bar end links too. The adjustable ones. They just kind of came with the coilovers. Get a better shot of those. I think I have one still in the car. I can show you. They look like this. Fancy. Alright. So I still have driver's side to do, and then the rear coilovers. Pads enroded, drilled, slotted ceramic pads came in the mail today. And if I can blast through the rest of that, also got some new side markers as well. For the front bumper. Don't really like chrome. Kind of like things murdered out, you know, some New York shit, my NY shit. So I got these for the side markers. They look nice. All right. That's that. Here's the rest of our exhaust. Blue burnt tips. It's V-banded. And it's another V-band right there. So that should go in pretty easy. Right, but we still have the rest of the exhaust to do, the rear coilovers. That little side marker thing I just showed you in the front. And I got our wheels and tires right here. I think these are 18 by 8.5 maybe. Some Lexanis, nothing special. Two 25-40 18s. So I'm gonna try and finish knocking this out, and I'll see you in the next one. Ain't no outro.